I could do your job.
Oh, really?
Richmond, Virginia, La Capitale! I am here today to meet with Emma. She is a delivery manager at CarMax. And once again, I have no idea what that means. This should be interesting. CarMax. So where are the cars?
I don't have any real cars for you today. I have tiny cars for you to see, though.
You can all go home. I will stay here and take care of CarMax. You are a delivery manager. Mm-hmm. What does that mean?
I work with our product teams at CarMax in our technology space so that we can effectively deliver products to our customers.
Emma, why did I come up here again? Whee! Okay, no need to be aggressive. I ate a bubble. Brain work. I have to pee. Project managed. I take back what I said. Your work takes a lot. Can you help me out, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Emma. Okay.
Great job.
Thank you. I'm keeping the car.
Fair.